Welcome to Lux Vista TV, where Lux meets innovation, extraordinary vehicle come to life. Today we're exploring a customer GMC Savana Luxury van, a premium Lux that combines executive comfort, powerful performance, and bold load presence in one remarkable package.
The GMC Savana Luxury van immediately commands attention. Its long body, muscular stance, and premium black finish create an unmistakable presence on the road. Every line of the vehicle reflects strength and elegance, while the custom front fascia transforms the classic Savana into something truly extraordinary. At the front, the aggressive GMC grille dominates the design, framed by bright LED headlights that give the van a modern and confident appearance. Chrome accents add sophistication without overwhelming the rugged character that GMC is known for. From every angle, this luxury van looks like it belongs among the world's finest executive vehicles. The GMC Savana glides smoothly down the highway. Its aerodynamic body cuts through the air with confidence. The custom body kit enhances both appearance and stability, while the widened wheel arches create a more muscular profile. Large premium alloy wheels rotate effortlessly beneath the body, giving the van an athletic stance despite its generous size. Running boards extend along both sides, providing easy access while complementing the luxurious exterior design. Tinted panoramic side windows reflect the surrounding skyline, creating a mirror-like finish that adds privacy for passengers while enhancing the van's premium look. Even in motion, the GMC Savana maintains perfect composure, proving that luxury and practicality can coexist beautifully. Beneath the refined exterior lies a powerful engine engineered for dependable performance. Whether equipped with a robust V8 gasoline engine or a durable diesel option depending on configuration, the GMC Savana delivers strong acceleration, impressive towing capability, and smooth highway cruising. Its heavy-duty suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, providing passengers with exceptional ride comfort over long distances. On highways, steep mountain roads, or busy city streets, the Savana remains stable and confident. Responsive steering, reliable braking, and balanced weight distribution allow the driver to stay in complete control. In terms of overall capability, this luxury conversion reaches level 5, offering premium performance for executive transportation, VIP travel, luxury tourism, business fleets, family adventures, and long-distance journeys. It isn't simply built to transport people. It is engineered to deliver every journey with confidence, comfort, and reliability. The GMC Savana cruises through modern city streets. Sunlight reflects across its polished bodywork, emphasizing every sculpted detail. The LED daytime running lights remain bright and distinctive, while the custom roof-mounted lighting gives the van an even more commanding appearance. Every movement feels effortless. Highway cruising is remarkably quiet thanks to excellent insulation, allowing passengers to enjoy a peaceful travel experience. Despite its large dimensions, the van moves with surprising agility, making lane changes and long-distance driving feel smooth and controlled. Its commanding driving position also provides outstanding visibility, increasing both confidence and safety. A quick look inside. Opening the side door reveals a carefully crafted executive cabin designed for maximum comfort. Premium leather seating welcomes passengers with generous cushioning and excellent support for long journeys. Soft ambient lighting creates an inviting atmosphere, while premium trim materials give the cabin an upscale appearance. The dashboard features a modern infotainment system, intuitive controls, and advanced climate management designed to keep every passenger comfortable. Multiple USB charging ports, entertainment options, and generous legroom transform the GMC Savana into a luxurious mobile lounge. Although the interior is elegant, today's spotlight remains on the van's commanding exterior presence and exceptional road performance.
Luxury is only part of the GMC Savana's identity. Its spacious cargo capacity makes it equally suitable for executive business transportation, luxury shuttle services, VIP airport transfers, touring companies, and family road trips. The reinforced chassis provides outstanding durability, while GMC's reputation for dependable engineering ensures long-term reliability. Whether crossing hundreds of highway miles or navigating urban environments, the Savana performs consistently with minimal compromise. Its versatility allows owners to customize nearly every aspect, from executive office layouts to luxury lounge interiors or adventure-ready camper conversions. Few vehicles offer this level of flexibility while maintaining such an impressive premium appearance. Looking closer, every exterior component contributes to the overall luxury experience. The sculpted hood adds a sporty character. The bold GMC grille instantly identifies the brand's signature styling. Precision LED headlights illuminate the road with exceptional clarity. Integrated fog lamps improve visibility during difficult weather conditions. Smooth body panels create clean reflections from every angle. The extended roof enhances interior headroom while preserving aerodynamic efficiency. premium alloy wheels complete the luxurious appearance with confidence and elegance. Together, these elements create a vehicle that looks sophisticated whether parked outside a luxury hotel or cruising through downtown streets. Behind the wheel, the GMC Savana delivers a refined driving experience. Power is delivered smoothly, allowing effortless acceleration onto highways. Road noise remains impressively low, making conversations inside the cabin comfortable even at higher speeds. Its suspension balances comfort with stability, keeping passengers relaxed throughout every mile. Long-distance travel becomes less tiring thanks to supportive seating, responsive handling, and dependable performance. Every journey reflects GMC's commitment to engineering vehicles that prioritize durability, capability, and comfort. Moving along the sides, the GMC Savana Luxury van showcases an extended body that emphasizes both elegance and practicality. Every panel flows smoothly from front to rear, giving the van a clean and uninterrupted profile. The deep gloss black finish reflects the surrounding environment beautifully, highlighting its premium craftsmanship from every angle. The sculpted hood adds a bold and muscular character to the front end, while carefully integrated air vents enhance the aggressive styling. Large power-adjustable side mirrors provide excellent visibility and feature a streamlined design that blends perfectly with the body. Wide fender flares create a stronger road presence, giving the Savana a planted stance that inspires confidence whether parked or cruising on the highway. The premium multi-spoke alloy wheels perfectly fill the wheel arches, while the low-profile tires enhance both appearance and handling. Running along the lower body are polished side steps that combine luxury with practicality, allowing passengers to enter and exit comfortably while complementing the van's executive styling. The body-colored door handles maintain a seamless appearance, while precision panel gaps reflect the high quality of the custom conversion. Above, the raised roof transforms the overall silhouette, providing increased interior headroom without sacrificing the van's sleek proportions. Integrated roof accessories and aerodynamic detailing enhance both functionality and visual appeal. The large tinted side windows create a continuous glass effect that adds sophistication while offering privacy for passengers inside. During daylight, the windows mirror the surrounding skyline, while at night they contrast beautifully with the illuminated LED lighting. At the rear, the vertically stacked LED taillights provide a distinctive lighting signature that remains highly visible in all driving conditions. The sculpted rear doors open wide for convenient loading, while the reinforced rear bumper adds durability without compromising the luxury appearance. Completing the exterior are subtle chrome accents positioned throughout the vehicle, enhancing the premium finish without becoming excessive. Every design element works together to create a luxury van that looks equally at home in front of a five-star hotel, an executive business center, or cruising confidently along an open highway. Completing the premium exterior are soft-close sliding doors, privacy glass, integrated parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, and chrome exterior accents that reflect light beautifully from every angle. These advanced features make the GMC Savana Luxury van feel as premium and technologically advanced on the outside as it is comfortable on the inside. Whether arriving at a luxury hotel, an executive meeting, or a private airport terminal, this GMC Savana doesn't simply transport its passengers.
Thank you for watching Luxvita TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more incredible Lux vehicle documentaries. See you next